Hi, I'm Jeff, and I want to show you how Third Place works. I know that watching multiple live streams sounds overwhelming, like watching 9 episodes of the Powerpuff Girls. But it doesn't feel that way.
Ooh, Dantas, you stream too? Cool. Nice. Play music and bass, guitar and sing. That's cool. Well, thank you for requesting. Yeah.
Third Place gives you all the tools you need to control your experience and turn the world of live streaming into your own personal coffee shop or convention.
It is Scott. Damn it. I was just kidding. I'm like, that looks like Ramona. I'm like, oh, it is.
Yeah. Yeah, this definitely came out of
It looks
Canada,
really good,
guys.
though.
Believe that.
So let's start with the front page. Here you can browse popular categories and search for more. There's also a special category called Following, which will show you all the streams you follow across all categories for a truly personalized experience. Clicking on a category will take you to the Streams page, where you'll see all of that category's live streams in an infinitely scrolling display, updated every few minutes. But only the streams above the fold at the top of the page will be playing. The zoom buttons let you change how many streams fit there. Third Place also adapts to your browser window, so changing its size and shape will change your experience. You can enjoy it full screen, but you can also snap it to the side of a screen for ambient company. You can even listen to it in a background tab. The mute button in the bottom right controls the global volume of streams. We recommend keeping it very low for a comfortable background effect. To hear individual streams better, or not at all, just mouse over them to adjust their own volume control.
I'll adjust that when y'all come back. Y'all can't hear me. Fuck me.
Mousing over them will also let you follow them or engage with them in other ways. The chat button on each stream opens its chat panel, where you can talk with the streamer and their audience. Tell them we said hi. If you have trouble logging into the video and chat panels, we have a complete help page through the sidebar. This will also make sure that your Twitch Turbo account is recognized, so that you skip ad breaks. Back on the control panel, click the Tools toggle to show more information about each stream, and to pin them in place or move them around, or even hide them. The sidebar is really interesting. Its dynamic filter lets you change how streams are sorted. So the application can always fill the space around pinned streams with other content that you want to see.
Oh. Fuck. I thought it'd be close enough. No.
Of course, it also sorts the streams that are not playing, which you can always scroll through to discover new streams. Just click one and it'll go to the top and start playing.
You guys, I never announced this, but we got accepted into the
do I make
Women's
that?
Guild, which is super duper cool. And then we also got accepted to be part of...
Now, this is all still an experiment, but Third Place is designed to make you feel comfortably connected, like you're sitting in a coffee shop or a LAN party or a convention.
And one thing.
Come on, dude.
Or in your best friend's basement as a kid, when you played games together all night long.
He's just like, I was standing on that. So let me kill some of them. Yeah, there you go.
That's one hell of a background, by the way.
It's awesome.
I hope you enjoy the experience, and you're welcome to stay for as long as you like.
It's probably something better than that, though.
Probably.